Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have a fascinating topic that has been transforming our world at an unprecedented pace: artificial intelligence. From its humble beginnings to the incredible advancements we witness today, we're going to take you on a journey through the evolution of AI. So buckle up, because this is everything you need to know about AI, from its thought of birth to the present day. Let's start at the beginning. The birth of artificial intelligence. The concept of AI was first introduced in the 1950s with pioneers like Alan Turing laying the groundwork for machines that could simulate human intelligence. It was a time of great curiosity and the belief that machines could be taught to learn and mimic human thought processes. The early years of artificial intelligence. As the years passed, the field of AI faced numerous challenges, leading to what is known as the AI winter. Funding dwindled, and expectations were tempered. However, in the 1980s, a new era began with the advent of expert systems and the promise of machines that could reason and make decisions like humans. The rise of machine learning. Fast forward to the 21st century, and we witnessed the resurgence of AI, thanks to the rise of machine learning. This paradigm shift allowed computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time. Suddenly, AI wasn't just a concept, it was becoming a reality. The current state of AI. And here we are today, surrounded by AI in various forms, from virtual assistants and recommendation algorithms to autonomous vehicles and advanced robotics. The integration of AI into our daily lives has been rapid, impacting industries such as healthcare, finance, and entertainment. Advancements in deep learning. One of the key drivers behind AI's recent advancements is deep learning, a subset of machine learning that involves artificial neural networks inspired by the human brain. This technology has enabled breakthroughs in image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and even playing complex games, like Go. Hypothetical future of AI. Now, let's delve into the hypothetical future of AI. Imagine a world where AI becomes not just a tool, but a true thinking entity. Some experts speculate that we could witness the emergence of artificial general intelligence, AGI, a form of AI that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across diverse tasks. Essentially, an AI with human-like cognitive. Ethical considerations. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we explore the possibilities of AI, we must also consider the ethical implications. How do we ensure that AI aligns with human values and does not compromise our privacy or security? These are questions that will shape the future development of AI. AI in medical breakthroughs. On a positive note, AI holds immense potential for solving some of our most pressing challenges. Imagine AI-driven breakthroughs in medical research, leading to personalized treatments and early detection of diseases. The possibilities are truly awe-inspiring. AI's future wildcards. However, the future of AI is not without its uncertainties. There are wildcards, potential pitfalls, that we must navigate carefully. One such concern is the misuse of AI for malicious purposes, from deepfake technology to autonomous weapons. Striking the right balance between innovation and safeguarding humanity is paramount. As we wrap up our journey through the world of AI, one thing is clear. We are standing at the precipice of a technological revolution. The evolution of AI, from its inception to the present day, has been nothing short of remarkable. As we look ahead, we must approach the future of AI with a sense of responsibility and a commitment to harness its potential for the greater good. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of everything AI. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. And as always, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, Stay curious and embrace the future.